How to make a free dropshipping store without need of credit card. First things first, you must open your browser window to search something up. After that, make sure to type gumroad.com in your search bar. Then you should land on a website which looks something like this. Make sure to click the Start Selling button to actually start selling. Then you should be asked to create an account, so just go ahead and make sure to do that. It will ask you for a two-factor authentication token which was sent to your email, so just make sure to enter that as well. After that, you can see that you've been successfully logged in and now you can create a lot of products. And if you want to create new products, make sure to click this pink button which says New Product. Here you can see all of your products which were created. But the problem is the balance of your account must be $10 before you can get paid out. And that'll be about that. Until next time, peace.